YouTube, YouTube. YouTube, YouTube.
But we love it.
This is the legendary place of Seminyak. I will show you guys.
For those who already missed how kudeta, this is your turn. This is yours.
Yeah, and check this out. Beautiful sunset.
Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push your limits with you right now. Right now, right now. Get it right now. Right now, right now. Get it right now. Right now, right now. Get it right now. Yeah, push your limits with you right now.
Welcome to Kudeta, the most legendary place in Seminyak, Bali. Beautiful, lovely vibes like always. And lovely sunset. The best sunset in Seminyak are in Kudeta. very nice. This is the old way to.
Melasti.
I think it's Melasti, but very old.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Guys, how you doing? Actually, I'm so sorry as we didn't make a proper intro today. We didn't welcome you today because we just went to Kudeta, which is a legendary place in Seminyak. As you saw, wonderful. By the way, you have to try the salmon pizza. It's so yum. And
then they also have a very special price. So like sundowner. Special for sundowner, like they have got a 20% discount for all the food and cocktails or mocktails and everything.
yes, the Kudeta is the one of the first clubs in Bali, and it's very legendary place in Bali in Seminyak, so I shouldn't miss this out. Fully recommend it. By the way, it's Friday afternoon, well, it's Friday night already, and it's 7:45, 7:45, and this is the Seminyak road. We are heading to La Favela area, where is the famous La Favela red carpet, and
Yeah,
as you can
famous.
see, well, I don't want to say again, but it's quiet. Sorry, but you see behind over here is the road, and it's not much happening, right, honey?
Yeah. So this is how
This is how it is.
Seminyak at the evening,
At the-
especially
by-
7:45.
By the way, check
It's
this
so
out. The guys are carrying the kites on the middle of the road. That's so cool. Yes, you can see almost everything is closed in here,
yeah,
right?
The shop.
Check this out, these guys.
Look at the
Yo, what's up? That's a big kite, huh? Jesus. Yo! So as you can see, the road is now transformed into the kite place. So cool, but very positive vibes, like always. It's
yeah. As you see around Seminyak area, I think that La Favela is closed. So
La
we
Favela
are
is closed. It's actually we are
in
passing
front
to.
of La Favela is over there.
But red carpet is open. We will show you now. It's a little bit of life in this place. We will show you now a few snaps. So over here is La Favela, but it's closed. And over here is the red carpet. It's open.
Savior, don't wanna be strangers. Let me feel like you know what to do. Leave your limitations, live and go against them. Just let go and start up something new. Cause I know that what you planned out, everything that you built up, isn't what you want. And I know the life you're living isn't that fulfilling. Let me help you out. Lay your love on me. Leave your head and let your mind be free. Save yourself and leave the words you've spoken. Cause some dreams are meant to be broken. Lay your love on me. Leave your head and let your mind be free. Save yourself and leave the words you've spoken. Cause some dreams are meant to be broken. been fighting for. Cause I know that what you planned out, everything that you built up, isn't what you want. And I know the life you're living isn't that fulfilling. Let me help you out. Lay your love on me, leave your head and let your mind be free. Save yourself and leave the words you spoken.
Jamu, herbal drink.
Herbal drink. Herbal drink.
Yeah, I will try to drink it. Wait.
Yeah, make a shot. Cheers! And mask on. We are in the red carpet right now. We're gonna have some coffee. It's so quiet, but it's so cool vibe, like always.
So this one is salmon tartar. I would like to try one.
Get this one thing clear. Get this one thing. Get this one thing clear. Get this one thing. Get this one thing
Really great place and so sad to see so empty. Sorry, I'm not gonna talk much because of the music and the problems because of that. However, check this out. Super cool and super quiet.
One ice baby coffee. I will try. No, this is ice inside. It's so good. Inside is rum and everything, but doesn't taste alcohol that much because of the coffee.
Você foi recebida?
Bye guys!
Thank you, Alright, so we already had a coffee in the red carpet, and then as you see the shops here at 9 o'clock it's already closed. Most of the shops closed. Even some of the shop is ready to rent. Shop to rent or something.
Actually, in the Seminyak at the moment, from the very famous places, they are open like a Kudeta, red carpet. What you saw, La Favela next door to red carpet is closed. Motel Mexicola is open, but after that, as you can see, so dark, so quiet. The street is just behind us. not much is happening, right? Look at that. This is center of Seminyak, Friday night, 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
So that's very comprehensive update from Seminyak, I could say. I just,
Yeah. For you guys, if you are a big fan of Seminyak area, so we just inform you like this is how Seminyak today. Alright, so guys, thank you for watching, and I think that's all for today.
yeah, that's it for today. One more shot. This place is also closed. What's the name?
I don't know, it's reopening soon, but we never know.
Los Gringos, I don't know. I think it's the new place. Anyway, I hope so you enjoyed today's vlog. A little bit different formula than usual because you just party in 2 different spots today actually. However, the most epic spots, I hope so you enjoyed. Like always, something new tomorrow at 7 p.m. Bali time. Stay safe, stay tuned, and see you tomorrow. Bye.
Jeez, now I'm standing in the middle of the road.
And it's no problem at all.
No bikes, no cars.
Yeah.
For the